Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Scott, and I can eat. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I hope that you like what you're gonna see. If you're not new to this channel and you've not subscribed, why haven't you? You need to subscribe, because that's where all the goodies at. It's been a while since I've been here. I thought, it's summer outside and I should share a recipe, a super easy recipe for something that yes, you guessed it, really love. I really love ice cream. What's not to love about it? I don't know anyone who does not like ice cream. If you don't like ice cream, can't be friends. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a ice cream that you can make at home. It doesn't require any sort of fancy ice cream machines. You can do it all by hand, though I would suggest it would help if you have a hand whisk or a stand mixer. And it does not require a lot of ingredients. And we only need 4 ingredients. This is a completely configurable recipe. You can make it however and sort of flavor it up however you want. The 2 main ingredients that you have to have are double cream and condensed milk. Now, the next ingredient is completely up to you. You need some sort of alcohol. Today, I'm going to be making a coffee flavored ice cream. I am going to use this amazing cold brew coffee liqueur by Mr. Black's. It is so great. I normally use it in espresso martinis, but it's really great in this ice cream. This alcohol is used for a little bit of flavor, but it's also used mainly for the science behind it to keep them freezing rock solid. You will also need some extra flavoring. I'm going to add in some instant espresso granules. So let's get going. We are going to open up our condensed milk. And we're gonna pour that in. To that, we are going to add 4 tablespoons of your alcohol. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm really tempted just to drink this. It's so good. It's like a breakfast drink, isn't it? Because it's coffee, you can have it in the morning. Okay, and then to that, I'm gonna add about a heaped tablespoon of our espresso powder. Now this is completely optional. I like to put a little bit of salt into this because condensed milk is so sweet. The salt doesn't really make it salty per se, it just sort of tempers out the sweetness. So I'm gonna add in about 2 good pinches of sea salt, and we're gonna give that a mix until it's all combined. Okay, that's that. And next we're gonna do is we're going to whip our cream. We need a bowl. We're gonna pour on our cream. Now this is the point where you can do it by using a hand whisk. You're gonna be here for a while if you do. If you have a stand mixer, you can use the whisk attachment. What I'm gonna use is an electric whisk. Here we go. We're whipping. And we're gonna stop. What we're looking for is to stick to the beater still. Okay, so now we need to fold in the cream and our condensed milk. Why am I laughing? Because anytime I hear the word fold in, I think of that iconic moment in Schitt's Creek when Moira and David were attempting to make enchiladas. David, fold in the cheese. If you tell me to fold in the cheese one more time, I don't know how to fold in this broken cheese. We're gonna fold our cream into our condensed milk, because I'm just gonna take a little bit of it, not all of it, and just to lighten it up. And then I'm going to pour all of it into here. I'm gonna fold it, lifting up from the bottom, incorporating it in, trying not to deflate the cream that much. You want all of the lumps to be gone. Now you don't want to smash out the lumps. You want to keep sort of folding it, lifting it up, and there we have it. We've got a beautiful sort of light, fluffy. We need to put it into a freezer-proof container. I'm gonna be a little bit extra here. Ooh, I hear you saying shocking. I've made a really quick and easy chocolate sauce. You take a tin of condensed milk, you put in 3 to 4 heaped tablespoons of cocoa powder, and you have a really great sauce that you can use to drizzle over your ice cream or use it as a ripple through it. So that's what we're gonna do here. I'm gonna pour out about half of this, then put a little bit of a ripple on top. I'm gonna put more in, some more ripple. And then we're gonna finish it off. A little bit more on top. Swirl it just a little bit. Put a lid on that, and we're gonna put that into the freezer for about 7 hours until it's firmed up. And here it is. Okay, so here isn't the one. I made this one earlier because I didn't really have time to wait around. Okay, so I'm just gonna need to scoop it out now. Look at that. Look at that ice cream. Look how good that is. So this is the point where we get to eat the ice cream. Oh my God, that is seriously so good. It is super fluffy. With that little bit of salt in there that cuts through the sweetness. It's so good. And that fudge, that chocolate fudge going through the middle is so good. I just can't stop eating this. I'm gonna have to stop. So that's how you make a no churn ice cream at home. It's super simple, and I hope that you give it a go. Now remember, you can play around with the flavors. You don't have to make it coffee flavored. You could use any sort of alcohol in it, and you do need the alcohol in it to give it that really, really nice sort of soft set. It's really amazing. This is really life-changing. I hope that you've enjoyed today's episode of Scott Can Cook. No, Scott Can Cook. Scott Can't Eat. I used to be Scott Can't Cook, but then I became Scott Can't Eat because I did a lot more eating, and now I'm doing a lot more cooking, but who is this? I don't know, the world goes around. So I guess it kind of works because, you know, Scott can eat all the things that he cooks. Oh my God. Scott can eat all the things he cooks. Do-da, do-da, day, ooh, ah. So what should I make next? What do you have a hankering for that we can make at home? Yes, why don't you, if you enjoyed today's video and you want to see more, why don't you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so I pop up all the time. Forward this to a friend. If you like this or you try this, give a comment down below or tag me on Instagram when you make it. I hope you've enjoyed this little session of ice cream making, and I will see you very soon. I've got some ice cream to eat. Oh, so good. The workshop. Bye.